on the way coming, and that within an hour or two they'll be here. You can see up to now they are not here. And you have called yourself, you have seen people calling that there's still some exercises which they are calling counting going on. An exercise that ended at 6 yesterday, you are still counting up to now. And they have chased away all our agents. So, and it is only in one section of the county. Yeah. So what I'm trying to put forward is that I still believe that the will of the people of Busia is going to be seen and is going to be expressed and is going to be respected. But this kind of mediocrity that is trying to take place now, I hope it's going to be addressed.
But the branch was ready, was actually, in fact, it got annoyed when the IBC had to push the whole exercise by a week. A week later, and this is what we are witnessing, what does this tell in terms of preparedness for the party? Because Busia, Bungoma, and Machakos were the inaugural counties where the primaries were to be conducted.
I think in Busia, we can say that people have voted, they have expressed their will. What is happening now is that some elements are trying to manipulate that will. And that's why they use some violence in only a certain section of the county. And now those are the results that are bringing all these issues. To say that, you know, all of a sudden you have gotten 60,000 votes on 10% of an exercise, while you were just at slightly less than 40. So now you have shot to, you know, and you know it has come as a last minute thing. And you know how that normally happens. They hold on those votes so that now they can adjust, so that they be above the votes that have already been maybe announced earlier. Because we are not having any problem with the other areas. Even if you look at the trend of voting, it's 1,000 votes per polling area.
Mheshimiwa, we are happy that we are getting your input when we require. We understand the deputy governor has walked in and is also addressing the board